So if you've had a concussion, you're probably wondering, how long will the symptoms last? Well, if you have looked on internet or read anything about concussions, you will find that most common recovery timeline is 7 to 10 days following concussion, meaning that you should be feeling back to normal within 10 days after having a concussion. However, what we have learned that everyone is different in terms of how quickly they can recover. Some people may have symptoms lasting a month or even more than a month. So do not be worried if you're experiencing symptoms longer than 7 to 10 days. It is not unusual for people to have symptoms for several months, but what is most common after concussion is for you to go back to normal. Most people will recover to 100% following a concussion. If your symptoms are lasting longer than 10 days or even longer than a month, I would definitely recommend again consulting with a medical professional if you have not already seen them. See a neurologist who specializes in concussion care. See a neuropsychologist who can assess you and tell you where your concentration and memory functioning is at, and tell you what types of exercises you can do to strengthen these thinking abilities. So you're able to go back to school or to exercise or to work a little bit faster. But just know that everyone is different in how quickly they recover. You may have other symptoms such as headaches or vision problems or neck pain, which can exacerbate or prolong symptom recovery. And finally, your sleep may be disrupted after concussion. And if you're not able to sleep, you're not able to concentrate in the morning. So poor sleep can also prolong recovery.